Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. By default, your Android phone is set to back your photos and videos only when on Wi-Fi. Today, I'm going to show you how to ensure your phone is backing up your photos when you're on mobile data as well. This can be useful if you have an unlimited data plan and you want to ensure your photos are backed up regularly. To do this on your Android phone, tap on Photos. Now tap on the icon on the top right side of the screen and choose Photos Settings. Now tap on Backup. Tap on Mobile Data Usage and select the amount of mobile data you are allowing to be used for photos backup. I will choose Unlimited. You can also select the option Backup while roaming if you want your photos to be backed up whilst abroad. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.